Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to fix Share My Location not working on iPhone. Let's get started. Solution 1. Go to Settings. In Settings page, tap on your name. Tap Find My. Here, turn on Share My Location. Solution 2. Open Settings. Ensure your iPhone is connected to the Wi-Fi or cellular data. If the connection is weak, restart your router. Solution 3. Go to Settings app. In Settings page, scroll down. Tap Privacy and Security. Tap Location Services. Turn on Location Services. Tap Share My Location. Here, turn on Share My Location. Go back. Scroll down. Tap System Services. Again scroll down. Here, turn on Share My Location. Solution 4. Go to Settings. In Settings page, tap Name. Scroll down. Sign out your Apple ID and sign in back. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.